In the year 2025, now the biggest problem brand owners have is, should we still do SEO where there are more people shifting towards ChatGPT? Now people think like maybe going forward everyone will be shifting from Google to ChatGPT and other versions like Gemini and other generative AI models of search. So now this is something really interesting because yes, the shifting is happening in the generative AI models like ChatGPT, where there was zero traffic in the year 2022. Today, they are having a market share of approximately 0.25% in 2025. From 0% to 0.25% in just matter of 2.5 years. If you observe the market share of Google at this point of time, remains at somewhere 93 to 94% in search engines. That shows that 93 to 94% of the search in entire world is happening on Google, right? But that may make you feel like, okay, so where Google has 93 to 94% and ChatGPT has just 0.25%, but to tell you that is not as simple as you're thinking. Seriously, there is a major shift happening in the market, but still we have to analyze whether Google is going to be obsolete, whether people are not going to go for Google at all. If you see the average time spent on Google for search was approximately 1 minute, and if you see the same thing, people are spending approximately 15 to 20 minutes on ChatGPT. So that shows that people are actually sticking on ChatGPT. But yes, we see that the people are searching on ChatGPT, the questions which they are searching on ChatGPT are more like a top of the funnel searches. It is kind of informational searches. What can be done at this particular situation? They are asking the problems and solutions. Again, they are not going to search where can I get maybe a pizza in Bangalore, right? These kind of searches that are transactional searches are actually happening on Google. The informational searches are happening on ChatGPT. Let's get back to the question that was asked. The question is whether SEO still holds its importance in the year 2025. And the answer to this is absolutely yes. SEO is going to be there for sure, because if you see even today, there are people who are looking for restaurants on Google, who are searching for different local businesses in Google, who are looking for transactional keywords on Google. The main thing that is shifting here in ChatGPT is the informational keywords, the top of the funnel keywords which used to get maximum traffic to the websites is shifting. So what is the solution? The solution going forward will be that brands will have to do both. They will have to do SEO for search engine optimization on Google and Bing. They will have to do GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, to make sure that their website content is highly relevant and is highly visible to generative engines who can identify and display their website related content on the searches whenever the search queries come on the generative engines like ChatGPT. So hope you got this. SEO is still important in the year 2025. Make sure that you are consistent on your efforts of SEO. And yes, if your budgets permit, this is the time to get into the GEO, that is Generative Engine Optimization. So what will be the benefit is, initially this point of time there is very less brands who are competing for GEO. So if you start right now, you'll get that early mover advantage and you can position your brand at a very low cost and get very good results from the GEO searches that are entering. Still, the market is just new. We don't know how the things are going to unfold, but yes, if you have the additional budget, make sure you do both parallelly, SEO as well as GEO. In case if you have less budgets, I would suggest start with SEO and later add GEO. But how is the future going to unfold? At this point of time, clear that both are going to exist and both are going to complement each other, where you may get informational traffic from maybe ChatGPT. Going forward, the search volume will keep on increasing. The search share of generative engines like ChatGPT will keep on increasing. Yes, the transactional kind of power still remains with search engines like Google and Bing. So make sure that you are doing both SEO as well as GEO. Hope you got it. Thank you.